Fire and safety officer ensures the hotel complies with fire safety regulations and prepares for emergencies. Conduct fire safety training for staff. Inspect fire alarm, extinguisher and sprinkler system regularly. Plans and execute fire drills for employee and guests. Respond to fire emergency and coordinate evacuation procedures. Maintenance fire safety equipment and documentation. Emergency Response Coordinator focuses on managing emergency situation and minimizing risk, develops and updates the hotel's emergency response plans, trains staff on emergency protocols and evacuation procedures, coordinates response efforts during crises such as fires, natural disasters or security breaches, liaises with external emergency services as required.